Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is fundamental of email marketing. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get more informative videos. Before the fundamental of email marketing. Before dividing into the strategies you will us to be build and leverage email marketing for a conference. Let's over the fundamental. These tips will help you maximum your email marketing campaign which we'll discuss next. Email marketing is popular which also means it is competitive. Use emails to speak directly to your users. Use their names and let them see the human side of your brand. Stay human. Showing your human side is an absolute must if you want to gain loyal customers and increase conversions. Why? Because research shows that readers are 26% more likely to open personalized you have addressed them can make all the difference. Use engaging titles but don't bait and switch. Increasing space titles are crucial to increasing email open rates but keep them on topic and non-spamming. If users feel duped, they are likely to subscribe or mark your message as spam which impacts deliverability. To prevent concentrate on creating subject lines that reflects the content of your emails and use action language. It's okay to use emails that cause a sense of urgency or excitement but avoid exaggeration. Use subject lines. Don't miss out on this limit time over. Join the commit today at Excaliburs. Last change to save. You are invited. Just ensure you as accurate headlines show you don't disappoint subscribers when they click through. Keep message short. Many customers read their emails on a mobile device, so keep your copy concise to the point. One suggestion is to keep our emails between 50 to 125 words. It's also worth nothing that emails of up to 15 words can have up to a 15% conversion rate according to Companion Monitor. If you know to add more for next, they use easy to scale bullet points or numbered lists. Direct user to a blog post or landing page if you need to share a ton of information. Doing this keeps your emails concise and lets readers access the content in their own time. Include CTS and the top and bottom. On landing page, cost to action CTAIS generally appear above the fold. Use the same strategy with email marketing by including strong CTA after the first paragraph and again at the end. Adding and engaging CTA after the first paragraph makes it easier to grab your subscriber eye and encourage them to convert. There include a follow-up to CTA at the end of your email, reminding the subscriber to act. Avoid overcrusting CTAs through your overwhelm. Your reader keep it to 3 max. Ask permission and deliver on your promises. Never buy email list that is illegal at most cases and won't deliver ROI. If you offer a great deal or high quality content, make sure to deliver just that. If you don't buy an email just now that you are like to get a low response rate. Why? Because you are reaching out to people you haven't opted it and how little interest in your offer. A better approach is creating your email is organically by providing valuable contact offers or incentives to improve engagement. Don't just try to sell. Instead, draw people in with stories or solution to their problems. Finally, add a double opt-in for your new subscriber and make it easy for your list to undefinable. Getting started with email marketing. Email marketing strategies enable business to send promotional messages to large numbers of people. Typically, markets used to generate sales by sharing promotional offers, nurturing leads, or expanding the impact of contact marketing efforts. If you own email inbox right now, there is a good change. List half your messages and email marketing like this one from Graceful USA. Build your list. Before you can start sending emails, you need people to send email to. That's where building your list comes in. Start by adding a banner or form to your website, simply asking people to subscribe. Then follow these tips. Offer an incentive. Think of email addresses as a currency. You give many away, right? Offering and effective is a simple to gather email addresses. There are many ways you can do this. Some prefer to give any down label product. For example, the business newsletter morning offers readers a simple benefit every morning. Search engine journal uses a small form in the right sidebar offering daily news. It also talks with topics interest the user which help them understand more valuable content. You can also offer a checklist, book, white paper, or another downloadable access concept and give away are other great ways to convince people to share their emails addresses. There is a very strong communication comes into play. Copyright is super important to simply posting anti updates is going to excite instead they share specifics. Attract more subscribe by changing a specific CIT or benefit for providing their email addresses. Common ways to people to sign up to your email list include email story free downloads, free white papers or books, updates list like new releases and products updates. Whatever your offer, make it clear, engineering and don't to be afraid to promote it. Follow email marketing laws and regulation. Make your shows email follow locals rules and regulation including can spam and GDR. Don't tell all the schedule. All this means is you can never buy email options and people to undesirable. People provide great content. Email marketing is all about expectation. It's to you set them. If your city is strong and your follow up content, then you can count in your successful email campaign. However, if you promise to send one email per week and send it daily, you are setting yourself up to failure. On the contrary, if someone is expecting their updates or critical product updates and you don't deliver, they are likely to upset in that case too. This is why the first follow-up email is crucial. The successful of your email marketing efforts here shows to do it. Send an introduction email. Here, basic welcome email from to a new customer. It highlights the millions of places to stay, the hundreds of thousands of cities and countries, and over the 220 countries and regions. The email ends with the complete CTA to inspire reading to click through. Don't pitch right away. You are not running an email just for fun. You want to engage customer and make sales. Transition form an email list that provides tons of the free value into a list that quotes a product for money can be tricky. ठीक है guys, thank you for watching.